I can't believe it's 10 o'clock and I have 10% battery, so we're going to have to knock this out quickly. However, I failed to include section 2-3 previously in my review, and I have a few minutes left and a little bit of gas in the tank. So let's dive right in. Boiler systems, fuel systems, section 2-3 review. Once fuel oil reaches the burner, it is the function of the burner to blank the oil so it can mix with air and burn. Your choices are cool, heat, atomize, or pressurize. And the answer is once fuel oil reaches the burner, it is the function of the burner to atomize the oil so it can mix with air and burn. In a low pressure gas system, the zero gas governor reduces the pressure of a gas to blank psi. How many pounds per square inch? Is it 0, 1, 5, or 10? The answer is in a low pressure gas system, the zero gas governor reduces the pressure of the gas to 0 psi. In a low pressure gas system, the air and gas mixture in the furnace is ignited by the mixing chamber, zero gas governor, the pilot, or the venturi. In a low pressure gas system, the air and gas mixture in the furnace is ignited by the venturi. It's kind of a trick or tricky question because they're specifically asking about the low pressure gas system. A fuel oil relief valve protects a fuel system from excessive oil pressure and discharges to the blank. A fuel oil relief valve protects a fuel system from excessive oil pressure and discharges to the fuel oil heater, duplex strainer, fuel oil line return, or atmosphere. A fuel oil relief valve protects a fuel system from excessive oil pressure and discharges to the fuel oil return line. Modern coal plants use blank coal that is blown into the combustion chamber where it burns in suspension. Is it stoker, bunker, lignite, or pulverized? Modern coal plants use pulverized coal that is blown into the combustion chamber where it burns in suspension. Blank valves are typically slow opening, fast acting hydraulic electric valves and should have an internal proof of closure switch. Blank valves, stop valves, pressure relief valves, safety shutoff valves, or blowdown valves. The answer is a safety shutoff valve are typically slow opening, fast closing, hydraulic electric valves and should have an internal proof of closure switch. A blank is used to clean fuel oil before it goes to a burner. A economizer, a scrubber, a vapor stat, or a strainer. A strainer is used to clean fuel oil before it goes to a burner. Strainer. Stop valves isolate a tank when blank. Stop valves isolate a tank when the steam pressure is too high, when it is not in use, when cleaning the tank, or when the boiler temperature is too high. Stop valves isolate a tank when it is not in use. Most steam plants that use number blank fuel oil have two tanks. Our choices are 2, 4, 6, or 8. Most steam plants that use number 6 fuel oil have 2 tanks. I also think number 6 fuel oil is among one of the most common fuel oils used with boilers or high pressure boilers and power boilers. In a basic pulverized coal system, the coal blank stores the coal before it flows onto the coal conveyor. So our choices are scale, feeder, bunker, or chute. In a basic pulverized coal system, the coal bunker stores the coal before it flows onto the coal conveyor. And that covers 2-3, which I missed previously, high pressure boilers. This is for educational and artistic purpose. Please like, subscribe, share, contribute to support my content creation. Leave a comment below and I'm happy to respond. I may be providing an email address and setting up a Patreon account in the near distant future. However, since I only have 4 subscribers at the current time, and I'm pretty sure maybe 2 of those are family or friends, my audience is pretty small at the moment. But nonetheless, I'm happy to have you here at whatever point you may be joining. I want to encourage you to continue down the exciting road of learning about high pressure boilers, as it will benefit you in the long run if you're interested in boiler operation for whatever field or arena of expertise that you might be in. I know particularly I'm a stationary engineer, so that's my arena, but I think that it also applies to a lot of engineering, boiler operators, plant operators. So anyway, enough said. Thank you and good night.